to take a small pick and I'm going to go to these two clips right here. I'm going to get underneath. Just pry these up. Next, I'm going to use a pair of pliers. You want to go ahead and remove this connector from the sensor. If you want to, you could probably pinch the back side of it and wiggle it off. Sometimes it's easy enough just to grab a pair of pliers like this here, pinch it, and that'll make it a little bit easier to get that connector off. Now I want to go ahead and remove this 8mm screw right here. Grab that, set it aside. Then you want to go ahead and grab the sensor. You can slowly twist it back and forth, and you're going to push it towards the firewall. It's held in using some rubber O-rings. Just keep on working it and it'll pop out like that. What we do is we take a little bit of motor oil, put it around the O-ring here. You can put some on the unit itself too if you want. It's not going to affect anything. You want to go ahead and line that up. Slowly work that in like that, and then just kind of work it in back and forth. It'll pop into place. Grab your bolt, and then go ahead and get that started. And let's go ahead and get that snugged down. Once that's snugged down, go ahead and grab your connector, line it up. Go ahead and press that on. It should click into place. Grab your harness retainers, line those up, reinstall.